What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Kritika Jariwala. And if you're new over here, hi, welcome, and if you've been following for some time, then welcome back. I'm gonna be showing you a very nice, warm, basic, simple makeup tutorial. This makeup is something which is going to work on your skin beautifully. It's gonna bring out your skin tone more well. Makeup which is just a versatile makeup look. बहुत लोगों पे ये अच्छा लगेगा. Then please keep on watching my video till the end. So starting off in this video, I have a bunch of new makeup products. Recently my Nykaa Pink Friday sale was on and I ordered lots of makeup products, and I'll be just using them in my videos. So stay tuned for my videos because there are a bunch of exciting makeup products coming up. And please मुझे comment में बताना अगर आपको देखना है me trying out all my new makeup products. I'm still contemplating a little bit, but आप लोग मुझे जरूर बता देना. Before I jump into my makeup and skin prep, let me just apply my lip balm. Is this new lip balm from Nykaa. This is the brand Simply Nam, and this is in the shade Cupcake Pink, and it's a great lip balm just for everyday use. You can see it. Nice, great. Now that I have gotten life back on my lips, let's get with the skin prep. Starting with my skin prep, I'll just spritz some makeup fixer on my face quickly. You can spritz anything that you have. This makeup fixer from NYX. This is their Dewy Finish Satin Makeup Fixer. I'll be going ahead with my moisturizer. Still my favorite. I just use this before my makeup, into my skincare routine, my morning routine. It's just this moisturizer, so a fabulous purchase. I'm still like halfway done. Itna sara abhi bhi hai. I'll leave all the links in my description, so do not worry. Let's quickly spritz some perfume. I'm gonna be using this Victoria's Secret Mist in Bombshell. On talking about my new purchases on my Instagram stories, so please don't forget to check out and follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave the handle link somewhere. It's in my description as well, so please check out and just spritzing this because I want to smell good when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, हमारा life का एकदम main ingredient, hydrating ingredient, water. Tons of water. Instantly I feel hydrated. Moving on with my primer quickly. I'm using this Smashbox primer. This is their photo finish primer, and literally, can you see, you need that tiniest amount. Please don't ever think you need a lot of primer. Hence I always suggest as well, invest in a good primer because it will last you a bit longer, because anyway you just need the most tiniest amount. Quick tip, अगर आपके पास कोई अंडर आई क्रीम नहीं है तो आप आपका सिंपल नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइजर यूज करो. इट्स ओके. आई ऑलवेज डू दिस. मेरा दूसरा प्रोडक्ट, एंड अगेन ये मेरा कल्ट फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट रहा. वेरी सॉरी मैं कुछ और यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे और कुछ मिल भी नहीं रहा है. Like I don't know, I'm just so obsessed. पता है वो एक प्रोडक्ट वैसा मिल जाता है which you just use it and then you fell in love. What can I say? You just fell in love with it. मेरे लिए ना ये products वैसे है. चल गया होगा. I'm talking about Swiss Beauty Concealer. I use the shades 02 Sand Sable, 07 Yellow, and there is one more shade 03 Light Moyen. Today I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna be using these. मैं ये कंसीलर यूज किया है. ये कंसीलर के अलावा मुझे और कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं मिला है. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक आई हैव नॉट ट्राइड एनी अदर कंसीलर. आई हैव ट्राइड हाउस ऑफ मेकअप कंसीलर एज वेल. दैट्स ऑल्सो गुड. बट पता नहीं, स्विस ब्यूटी का ये कंसीलर का जो कंसिस्टेंसी है ना, it is something else. I've also tried Maybelline concealers as well. They are also good, by the way, FYI. But yeah, still if I have to choose, Swiss Beauty tops for me. It's just something beautiful. So honestly guys, if you get your hands on this concealer, get it, and it doesn't cost a hole on your pocket. It's very affordable. Instantly, can you see how it just gives that one tone effect, and that is what I like. This 02 shade, this is a bit lighter than my shade and hence I use it as a topper just to brighten up my under eyes further. So, dot dot dot. Makeup trend has evolved so much. I can't tell you, yeah. From all those crazy triangles under eye to, like, you know, just now putting dots, like from foundation to skin tints. What a transformation, my friends, what a transformation. Whenever I sit down and especially film my YouTube makeup tutorials, it's a whole another feeling for me. And dabbing everything, oh my god, this is too gila. Please keep your beauty blenders damp and not like extra watery. I'll be using Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Moisturizer. Literally ये साल यही product use किया since June. I remember buying this in June and I have not stopped using this product, you guys. Honestly, I'm telling you, if you are blessed with flawless skin, you just need a skin tint. Don't go for a lot of heavy beauty coverage stuff. No, if you have a good skin, just use a tinted moisturizer. And अभी तो market में मतलब इतने सारे options available है. I'll show you my magic combo, which I do, you know, before, like while applying this, is that I use this with my hydrating dewy creams. This is Hyphen ka sunscreen. So I'm just gonna take the most little bit, can you see, little bit of saying my Halo Glow, and you will see the magic. So you do as per what you want. It works for me. And then I'll just first put it with my fingers, just blend it out like this. ये आपको थोड़ा extra, you know, creamy लगेगा. तो अगर आप oily skin हो, maybe आप उस हिसाब से oil free moisturizer use करना, या तो फिर dry skin girl हो just like me, तो you're gonna thank me, yeah. You're really going to thank me in this step. Like the way my face just looks right now, can you see? Building it up, and आप इस product को ना ऐसे build up भी कर सकते हो to just use your products. So yeah, man, and this is a buildable skin tint, so you can definitely anytime build it up the way you want. Just patting it. ये न्यू एरा का मेकअप ट्रेंड क्यों इतना पसंद है? बिकॉज दिस ट्रेंड इज ऑल अबाउट ड्यूई एंड natural and creamy looking skin, which I feel was not years ago. लोगों को बहुत matte face से obsession था, but I was always a person who enjoyed creamy, dewy looking face, and I think right now it's the trend, it's everything a person likes, so I am absolutely in for it. Cream products are like new trend. It's just like the whole makeup zone. I love it. I'll use this Lakme highlighter like this, where I know I'll be highlighting further. And patting it a little bit more. यार ये टाइम पे कौन बारात लेके जाता है?
When I am sitting and filming, मुझे लगता है मुंबई में कभी शांति से filming होगा ही नहीं. There's something going on, either there are kids who are shouting on top of their voice, or either there's barat going on.
Further, for my cream bronzing / contouring, whatever you wanna say, I'm gonna use this new product that is by Makeup Revolution. It comes in 3 shades: light, medium, and dark. I ordered the medium one because मुझे थोड़ा bronziness effect चाहिए. So this is the 2 shades which come. They are absolutely gorgeous and so creamy and nice. It feels good, and you know when the product on your finger feels good, it is going to be a good product. And let me take a moment and appreciate the packaging. Yeah, it's not plasticky or flimsy. It is actually good. I shout out to Makeup Revolution. ये बहुत underrated brand है, but in drugstore category, Makeup Revolution is a great brand, you guys. Light, so but it's great, yeah. Oh my god, it blends very easily. I can see it's getting blended on very easily. Blend your products into your temples, into your skin. Just blend everything well. make everything look beautiful. It's doing the job, so I'm happy. It's just too light for me. It's not extremely pigmented, which is a good thing, yeah, you guys, because अगर product contours especially बहुत ही pigmented होते हैं तो भी वो अच्छा नहीं दिखता है. I think this is still better. Softly contour my nose just like this. This is insane. My goodness. Makeup revolution. And just dab my nose. The blender always there to save your face, but तो मुझे बिल्कुल एफर्ट्स नहीं डालना. I'll just use my brow topper. This is from Essence. अगर honestly आपको पता नहीं है ब्राउज के लिए क्या करना है, आप ये ले लो Essence का Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel. Too good, like it's extremely good. And मैंने इसके बारे में भी बहुत बोला है, मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत यूज़ किया है. And then I'll just take my spoolie and just spread the product so that everything is just, you know, set. मुझे बेट का पैक का translucent powder is a nice investment and I've been using it since a long time, so yeah. Face. Just a little bit on my eyelid as well, just to cut the shine. I have the most absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette, and this is the first time I'll be using it on camera, filming a tutorial on this palette, which I've always dreamed of, and it's nothing but Huda Beauty matte eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, first of all, the packaging. I can just not stop talking about Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. Like, it's too good, it's sturdy, it's not your flimsy packaging. You've got a very good quality mirror as well. Cream shades, you've got your warm shades, you've got your light shades, and you've got your crease shade. ये palette is one-time investment. And trust me, आप इससे स्मोकी आई कर सकते हो, आप इससे नॉर्मल एवरीडे मेकअप कर सकते हो, आप इससे आपका फेस्टिव वेडिंग मेकअप कर सकते हो. ब्राउन स्किन टोन पे तो ये पैलेट इज गोना बी लाइक ग्रेट. Literally it costed me $2650, but if you can save up and you need one palette, this is the palette for you. एक डिप डालती हूँ and लगाती हूँ, it just turns out to be great. पे ये शेड यूज करूंगी. नाउ दिस इज देयर क्रीम शेड. दिस matches my eye very good, so I'm just gonna put this just to, you know, have a good base. Be dabbing it all over my eyelid, just evened out eye look. This shade for my crease, the lighter one. Always remember, crease shades are supposed to be the most lighter shades. This palette doesn't have a lot of fallout, just the normal basic. That's just blending it out on my crease. This, just like this. आपको दिखा ये फर्क? My eye with just one swipe of Huda Beauty eyeshadow. And this is, yeah, you guys, I'm telling you, makeup at times, you know, if you like really save up and invest in one good product, it's fabulous. And honestly, मैंने तो इतने eyeshadows use किए हैं, but Huda Beauty eyeshadows has something. मतलब हम पैसा दे रहे हैं because it's a bit costly. I do understand that, but trust me, every penny that you're spending on Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes is worth it. This shade as my another crease shade, and I'll just apply it on my crease, just focusing it on my crease, just like this. ये बहुत ही बेसिक आई शेडो लुक है, मतलब इसमें कुछ मेहनत नहीं जाता. Just focus on your placement, just keep it at right placement and it on the outside, then going on the crease. Can you see how my eye has just been like elongated, lifted, and it looks so pretty and good? amp up my look a little bit, you know, just ताकि मैं उसको थोड़ा accentuate करूँ. This kajal from Color Chemistry, Dune KJ03, nice nude brown shade. आपको दिख रहा है ये? तो इसको ना मैं एज अ लाइनर लगाऊंगी एंड ये काजल्स बहुत क्रीमी है. सो ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. And then I'm just gonna spread it with my finger. It's okay if it's a little bit messy. It just looks good. Color Chemistry is a good brand. It's all about being messy and creating a look out of it. Now for my under eye, I'll just use the same color and this color, and I'll just do my under eye just like this. Just apply my products halfway, and I don't like to go like fully inside. Wow, you guys, liking my eye look. ये इतना simple और everyday eye makeup look है. Honestly, अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना, आप just वो एक शेड लगा लो और आप ये काजल लगा लो and you're good to go. I'll just move on to my cream blushes. I have two options. I'm gonna be using nude sticks. This is in their shade Nude Buff. Nice warm and pink shade. I don't know if I make sense, but you will see it. I just pick it up on my brush. This is my sugar brush, and just apply it like this. And what a beauty it is. Not bhapka blush. It's a very subtle blush, and on makeup looks like this, ये blush बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Beautiful. I just like to apply it on my nose, chin. A beautiful shade, my friends. If you get your hands on Nude Sticks blush, ले लो, मतलब ले ही लो. Look how beautifully it complements my entire makeup look. I'll use this blush from Makeup Revolution. This is their Roxy blush. Take a tiny bit amount, little bit of, you know, warmthness. You don't need like pink blushes or anything. You really need coral and orange and sun-kissed blushers. I'm screaming. This is the most perfect nude warm makeup look. It's like a nice pumpkin latte spicy makeup look. It's so gorgeous. I'll quickly use my bronzer. I love these products. They are too good for me to be ignored. So Makeup Revolution, Makeup Revolution, Makeup Revolution. Just adding that warmthness back. My most exciting part, and that is lipstick. So blessed, grateful, thankful for God for all of the lipsticks that I have right now, because I could just only dream of those lipsticks, and today I actually have it. Actual nude warm lips, because we've done a very nice warm makeup look. The Huda Beauty MAC and this lip liner by Lovechild by Masaba in the shade Shop and Drop. Huda Beauty in the shade Interview. See it once I swipe it on my lips. Where are we? Like how the entire look just changes with one lipstick. That's the power of lipstick, a correct lipstick. So look how sexy it makes me feel, it makes me look. I'll just top it up with my MAC lipstick. I finally have a MAC lipstick with me in the shade Honey Love. It smells great. Look at the embossment of MAC over here. I can't, like, I just can't. So this is a very pale nude, so you cannot just apply it because ये आप पे बहुत flash out लगेगा. अगर आप बहुत deep skin tone हो, it's gonna make your face look very dull. But what you can do is you always mix these shades as a lipstick topper on a lot of your lipsticks. I'll just use this, and this will just mute this lip shade more, and that's exactly what I want. Just applying it. Can you see that? Perfect. A nice fall winter warm makeup look. I just need my hot chocolate, and I'm so good to go. It's great. And I'll just finish my lips. Maybelline Lifter Gloss. If I have to give the best lip gloss award of 2024, it goes to Maybelline, and I hope they really get it. I don't know if they've already got it, but it's too good. Just go and buy it. इससे better दुनिया में और कुछ भी नहीं है. Easiest and the most simple everyday basic warm makeup look. Like my lips are great, my eyes are great. Everything that I've used in this makeup video is great. It's like a chef's kiss, and I just cannot stop looking myself into the mirror. It's gorgeous. But that's it. This is my final makeup look, and shout out to all the brands which I've used in the video and all the makeup products. Like, I cannot be more thankful and grateful for having all of this with me. अगर आपको पसंद आया, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel, and it's my wish that I really grow in this journey and just do some great work, put out some great videos for every one of you to watch and just like it and just enjoy it. And that's it from my end. I'll see you in my videos, and please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram as well, because I share a lot of my life updates over there. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys again. Up until then, bye, take care.